How to use Google Voice on multiple devices. First of all, make sure you are signed in to the same Google account on each device you want to use with Google Voice. This could include phones, tablets, or even desktops. Now open the Google Voice app or visit voice.google.com on each device. As long as you are logged in, your account will automatically sync call logs, voicemails, and text messages across all devices. To ensure syncing is active, go to Settings in the app or website and scroll to check notification permissions and message forwarding options. This will help you get alerts for incoming calls or text on every device. Also make sure Do Not Disturb mode is turned off if you want real-time alerts everywhere. You can even customize notifications for each device if you prefer certain alerts on one and not another. You can answer calls, send text, listen to voicemail, and manage your message from any connected device without missing anything. This makes staying organized and responsive much easier, especially when switching between devices during a busy day. Now you know how to use Google Voice on multiple devices and sync calls or SMS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.